Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Oh yeah!
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Oh time. Ready.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
I'm want to call and talk of the King's Day.
That's the reason I'm done with him, because you see the boy have me and the girl have me with the same raga.
Hold on. The boy have you and the girl have beard with the same red one?
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red raga. Then people that look at me and say you're Haganiering because the way we are.
Yo, that word they're mad. Haganiering. Haganiering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I the Mixup daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Don't you know how Richie feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I Mixup
Check.
An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Check.
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Check.
Ragashanti
Check.
live. Ragashanti.
Woyo! Check. Check.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
What to ride? All right, people, we're there. Check. Big up on yourself. Hey, large up on yourself, man. Big up on yourself in the Friday evening, yeah. I want them say this name, Labor Day weekend to clot. People, big up on yourself, you know. If you not listen to me right, you know that means you don't have life. Well, if you not listen to me right, you know the only way you could have listen to me is unless one out of two reasons. One out of two reasons I couldn't listen to me right, you know. Is either you have life, you forgive thanks, so, yeah, or you dopey and you listen and fast. Cause big up all of the dopey them out there. Big up all dopey out there right you know, because some of you don't believe in a dopey, but dopey out there. Dopey the all board. When we did that Jamaica, you did have 3 dopey in a parliament. I go on like say them a human being and them alive and all these things. You did have 3 dopey in a parliament. When we did that Jamaica, 2 did in the PNP and 1 in the JLP. I don't know how the thing make up right, you know. But when me did that Jamaica, the show, you did have 3 dopey in a parliament, 2 PNP and a JLP. I don't know if the thing change right, you know, but big up everybody out there. Big up all who forget, big up large up on yourself, and big up all dopey we are listen right, you know, cause we know the dopey them the left out Ragashanti show. The dopey them love listening and all our vibes and thing. Big up some of the good dopey them we are listen. Bob Marley, big up yourself, rate things and thing. We hear a beer things you are going over there and sitting Bob Marley. Large up yourself. And Bob Marley, we hear what go down. Bob Marley, we hear what go down. We hear say, yeah, dosa with Whitney Houston. We hear say, yeah, dosa with Whitney Houston. Go and do your thing, cause you're king, Bob Marley. You're a king where you did a walk the earth round you. And you see it, you're gone in a dopey land right you now, and you still a sell off a thing over there. I send it upon Whitney Houston and all these things. But me here say when you put it upon her, you just say, is this life? Is this life? Is this life? Is it all sweet life? I'm coming in. And you just stop right there, say with coming in. I mean, you say when you put it upon Whitney, and when you say coming in, Whitney just say, I'll always love you. Hey, Bob and Whitney, a big things are going over there in a Duppyland, people. Bob Marley there with Whitney Houston, and a bigger things are going over there. Baba gear the Jamaican strength and that. Me say when Baba put it upon, Bob said, Whitney, you don't know, so Bobby couldn't give it to you like this, you know. The boy, the Bobby Brown, him can't. Whitney, here where me I tell her right, you know. Hold that strength, yeah. Buffalo Soldier, hey! Anyway, me I look on one flyer here for Sunday, September 4th, Teardrops, deal and deal, and I don't know, say every first Sunday that upper you know, mingles there. I'm a bridging them, you know. Deal and deal. People's Choice Furniture deal and Irie deal. I'm a two general them there, you understand? So you know, said this Sunday, them a do back them thing. But here when I said, People's Choice Furniture deal. People's Choice Furniture deal. People, when you get the flyer for this Sunday, September 4th, Teardrops, and look upon People's Choice Furniture deal face. Look upon him face and tell me, if you can't tell me, so why make up him face suffer? People, when you get the flyer for this, Prezi. You see, Prezi, come here a little bit there, because no me think say a joke me and make and whatever. Prezi, come here a little bit there. Hold a flyer here and look on a flyer here, Prezi. And tell me the God truth. Look on deal face. Oh, dear.
And I saw him look in a real life.
No, that's how they look in a real life.
No, that's from the...
use the microphone, eh?
That's from the movie, when him did in a movie.
When him there in the movie and him look... I see him face upon the other side of the flyer. But by the other side.
I see him face.
No, but how him face looks so like...
From when him did in a movie.
From when him in the movie?
Yeah.
Which year the movie make?
I don't know,
what the movie did make? Here. No, the movie didn't name.
Wait.
Shatters or what?
No.
Which one? What?
What was the name of the movie? I don't remember, but it's one movie in man.
And him play one gangster, don't? When them slap.
Him working at furniture store, him own a furniture store.
That him was in the movie. You don't remember what the movie did name?
I so tell you, man.
And hold on, so what him was in the movie?
It was a furniture deal.
It was furniture deal in the movie?
Yes.
Then I saw him, they look at the movie?
Yeah.
So, no, sir, but the way I'm looking at him, look on yes, sir, you know, sure, Irie deal just easy and calm. How him look so right, yes, sir. No, sir, him look terrible, right? Hey, and it's a man who always have a smile on him face, no?
Yeah.
And right, yes, sir, he look like, me don't know, him look confused, right, yes, sir. Him look, me don't know, something like one. Him look somewhere between vexed, confused, and hungry. Frizzy, I laughed at it. You understand? People, when you look on the Teardrops flyer, the Teardrops,
The name of the movie was Jamaican Mafia.
Jamaican Mafia, yeah. Where your furniture deal did it. I think Jamaican Mafia. I think I may look on deal. I want to go on with the picture in. Deal. I want to go on with the picture in. No, so look how Irie deal just clutch and calm and thing and whatever. And deal. The man fierce. Anyway, I'm going to talk to him about it, yeah. I don't know where I go on this. Anyway, Jamaica, big up on yourself, you know, love and respect and thing. Large up on yourself, Jamaica, large up on yourself. Up so, wrong so, down so, over so, back so, and all these ends and thing. Big up on yourself, you know. Everything is everything. Any engine in Jamaica and thing on a big up. What we say? Man, thing gonna be on. I know the levels and thing. Long time. Raga love on you like that, yeah? And what we say? Argostown, big up yourself. Southside, big up yourself. Anything off of Olympic, large upon yourself straight. You understand? Yeah? Anything off of GX Road, right? Particularly the little area they were from GX Road, the lead go back to Langston Road through the gully there, where we used to live. Big up on yourself, yeah? Rallington Town, Franklin Town, Alman Town, and all them Sister Peggy and the whole works over there in a Rallington Town. Big up on yourself. Bower Banks massive, and I don't know. The levels the thing there. When we say TG, when we say Java, you understand? When we say Percy Street, West Kingston, big up on yourself. North Street, Beeston Street, Charles Street, levels. Anything off of Spanish Town Road, and I don't know. Maxfield, Dusso, anything off of the Waltham, large up, yeah, Calalubed, Mangostown and all them place there. Big head, all on the big up on yourself, and I don't know sound, a native son, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Ragashanti rate, the whole on, nah change, nah switch, never, so the thing said. All right, and again, people do remember, up here in New York, Sunday, September 4th, Dale and Dale Teardrops, the Labor Day edition, featuring, watch out on the two selected them for the night. There are two of them general them, BBQ and Dub Master Chris. BBQ and Dub Master Chris that are mingles. And thing I remember said, dinner served from 6 to 9 and party to midnight. All right? Teardrops over mingles. This Sunday, Labor Day weekend. People big up on themselves, everybody a party and this and that this weekend here in New York. And I don't know normal, me I keep myself quiet. I want to say happy birthday to my daughter. Her birthday today. Happy birthday, Jide. Happy birthday, Jide Boo. Daddy loves you. So the thing said, and thing, you know, look at that, rice pan them. Them for no done. I'm a last, you know. I'm a one daughter and I'm a last, you know. Out of 3, so you don't know. Levels and thing and whatever growing real nicely and thing. Bright like wow. Sierra do her work since night and me go check her and all them something and thing. Well on them. Me just see a look of movements right here so and sitting and thing and whatever. Yeah, well on them. 1 second people. Let me see. 1 second. One. Yo, General, you know some I do a radio show till midnight here? All right, manners here?
Tomorrow I'm in town, but I'll call you.
Yeah, man, that's a word, man. All right, cool. My dog, that in a foundation youth from Jamaica days, original champion youth. You understand? I know is a Calabar general. Calabar, me say. You understand? Rabalak, the utmost for the highest. And that's the thing that the utmost for the highest. When I look at no 40s people around here. When I feature no 40s people around here. What? Oh, yeah. Okay. Sophia, big up yourself here. Sophia, great large up and thing and everything. All right, so we're going to kick it off with one audio where we get off when we sip on social media and thing. And I'm going to kick off tonight's show with the audio and thing. So I just want you to tell me if the brother is being reasonable. Right? So we're going to play the audio from a video when we sip on social media. And I tell them I listen to the audio and thing and people don't know I love the arms house, you know. So I want you to listen to the audio and tell me if this man is being, respectful. If this man is being respectful and if him have the rights when him say him have. Because nowadays we have to defend our rights, don't it? We all have what y'all believe, so we have certain rights, right? And sometimes people don't acknowledge the rights that we have. And they tend to treat us in ways that appear to breach those rights. And when they do that, it is incumbent on us to not stay silent and suffer, under these people who refuse to not only acknowledge our rights, but to also breach the rights in ways that are abusive to our persons and our ambitions. So this brethren, he is asserting his rights. And he's doing so in a non-violent way and what appears to be a reasonable way. So we're going to play the volume nice and easy, President. Make we hear what the general has said. When he might, all right, play the volume, play the audio.
You're getting out of hand now, main man.
Yo, my general.
Turn it up.
Christis.
Turn it up, turn it up.
Morning. Yeah, man, say no. You don't know me, but me know you, you know. And me at the side, man, and me there with the woman if you never know me. I make you know. Me not cause a problem between you and woman. I try to make you know. So when I hear a blank week and you can't buy the things, you see ghosts to come in your house, I want you take time with them. Because I buy anything for myself. I buy Dragon for you, I buy Malta for you, woman. But I get to realize I bring over your friend them like a bar or I want to shop. You show me I buy a bag of things. You have to understand. Me not mind your friend them. Me and mine. We share with in this. So you have to take time with the things. I don't know if I chew and you are by them, make you deal with them. So you have to understand. Think about it, brother. I'm gonna call if you an argument with you.
Well, run it again. Well, answer. Well, we stop right there, sir. Some people, this is the bonner man. This is the side man. So the bonner man, the side man, are called the main man, and he's expressing some concern. Because the main man look like the main man I get abusive with the thing or whatever, right? Because the bonner man say him buy a certain liquor for himself and him buy a certain liquor for the main man. And the main man bright. The main man like the main man I get too comfortable. If I laugh I poop. Listen to me now. One other man. So the main man I get too comfortable with the thing, man. President, the main man I get abused. And the main man I move like him now no conscience. I bring over friend and thing and us. Never be thing them when the bonner man have to work hard and put it at the place. President, play it one more time. Play it one more time.
You getting out of hand now, main man.
Yo, my general. Christis. You want to get morning. Yeah, man, say no. You don't know me, but me know you, you know. And me at the side, man, and me there with the woman if you never know me. I make you know. Me not cause a problem between you and woman. I try to make you know. So when I hear a blank week and you can't buy the things, you see ghosts to come in your house, I want you take time with them. Because I buy anything for myself.
Well, stop right there, sir. Stop right. Yo, what the bonner man say? You must know, say, the matter. You must know, say, the matter. Well, and Cassandra Smith, you said, no, him too out of order, Raga. Who out of order, Cassandra? The main man or the bonner man? You have to be clear now, you know. You have to be clear. Who you attack, you can't just say him. Because remember now the bonner man a content say the main man out of order. So when you now say somebody out of order and bright, all right, so Mariska down in Philadelphia say, yo, the main man brighter out of yo, what I say? No, cause so the man I say, yo, we don't know if I chew your blank week and thing, you take a thing too far. People, just for a second, just you using the conscience and thing. You don't know so the bonner man them ever steer. Cassandra said the main man out of order. You don't know so bonner man, to be a bonner man is to be discreet, is to remain unseen and not to reveal yourself to the main man. So you know so if the bonner man reach a point right here now, where I call the main man and have to talk to him, people, you know the thing get out of hand. You know, so the main man, him got the thing gone too far right here now. The main man a lazy up the thing, yo. The main man a grounds out the thing, yo. The main man nah move right, yo. So the bonner man a forget. And you realize that the bonner man don't even raise him voice. You realize that the bonner man don't even bring no violence or nothing like that. You realize that the bonner man just a quiet meds and I say, people, you know what say it's a good bonner man this. People don't hear the bonner man say, I buy my liquor for myself and I buy your liquor. Well, I can run it back again. No, the bonner man here. If we get an award when Heroes Day come. Yo, bro God. Mr. Prime Minister Jamaica, Andrew Onis, you need to get a Bonamania award like a Order of Jamaica or something, right? OJ or something. Because this is what we need to make the country more peaceful. This is what we need. This is the approach we need when times of crises emerge. We don't need people letting their emotions get the better of them. We don't need people resorting to violence and the sort. We need people who can negotiate. We need people who can reason intelligently. We need people who can, attack. Well, we don't want to use that word at this moment. We need people who can confront disagreements in a mutually respectful. Oh my God, this man. Yo, I could hear him again. You could hear him, boss.
You getting out of hand now, main man.
Yo, my general. Christis. You more get morning. Yeah, man, say no. You don't know me, but me know you, And me at the side, man, and me there with the woman if you never know me. I make you know. Me not cause a problem between you and woman.
No.
I try to make you know. So when a year blank week and you can't buy the things, you see ghosts to come in your house, me I want you take time with them. Yeah. Because I buy anything for myself. I buy Dragon for you, I buy Malta for you, woman. But I get to realize I bring over your friend them like a bar or one shop. You show me I buy a bag of things. You have to understand, me not mind your friend them. Me and mine, we share we in this.
Yes.
So you have to take time with the things. I don't know if I chew and you are by them, make you deal with them. So you have to understand. Think about it, brother. I'm gonna call if you not an argument with you.
The Bonner man say him buy Heineken for himself, Dragon for the man, and Malta for the woman. And the main man have a problem, people. The main man, he's not thinking team. The main man is not thinking team. He needs to be thinking team. Team. Where Miss Lady over Jersey I say now, she say, what a good side man. Me like her. Oh, she make the side man know his role. You have to shop for the whole household. You see where she take it gone, and you see where Adria take it gone. Adria big up a woman, Because Adria say, yo, the woman a govern her thing because the woman make a side man know, say, yo, if you got juggle as a side man, you say you have to shop for the entire household. Me not get involved in other part there, Make we just stay focused. Make we stay upon message. Because the age people, them will lead you off straight. You understand what I say? Them Jersey woman there, them not easy. Them not easy. You have to be careful with them Jersey woman there. So but we could go back to a side man. So this side man, him buy Heineken for himself. Him buy Dragon for the main man. And him buy Malta for the white. The man I think about everybody. The side man I think team. The side man is thinking team. And the main man a careless out the thing. And I bring over a friend in that's the man I feel say, what you think I like a bar? And all these things. Have some conscience, man. Have some conscience. Some of the people who want to have a bonner man or a bonner woman, a sack up in the garden and thing, you must appreciate the help. Appreciate the help. You understand? Appreciate the help in more ways than one. This man is just being reasonable, right? And he's making an appeal to the main man, big man. Balance up the thing, because you get too casual with the thing. Right now, Mr. Main Man, you get too plural. You get too plural. You understand? You get too plural. You understand? And this is, hey, the man buy Heineken for himself, Dragon for you, Malta for the woman, and you bring up everybody, I come and drink out everything and whatever. Like you say, like a backside carnival, or a night, or sitting here, bring over one bag of crowd, a drink out and a nyam out or something with them. Have some conscience, man. Have some conscience. One last time we have to play it before we take a break. Me say the summer about me, man. Sure. Yo, here we go.
It's the Bridge 99 FM.
Oh, you know this something there. I wait the Prezi. Prezi, you move it. Wait, they find it back. Okay, all right then. See it then now. All right, me see it. All right, here we go now. Okay, all right. Okay, President, me see it. Me I'll play it now.
You getting out of hand now, main man.
Yo, my general. A Christis. You more get morning. Yeah, man, say no. You know.
Well on, so the main man, Chris, the main man name, you know. Yo, everybody out there who name, every man out there who name Chris, big up yourself. Yo, every man out there who name Chris, big up yourself. Big up all Chris out there right now. Any man out there name Chris, big up yourself right now. And if I you, Mr. Chris, if it's you and the Chris, who will be unconscionable with the thing and abuse the thing, cut it out right now. Cut out the selfishness, Chris. All right. Why? What am I going to play it?
You getting out of hand now, main man.
Yo, my general. A Christis. You more get morning. Yeah, man, say no. You don't know me, but me know you, you know. And me at the side, man, and me there with the woman if you never know me. I make you know. Me not cause a problem between you and woman. I try to make you know. So when you're a blank week and you can't buy the things, you see ghosts come in your house, I want you take time with them. Because I buy anything for myself. I buy Dragon for you. I buy Malta for you, woman. But I get to realize you bring over your friend.
Well, I stop right there. So I don't want to vex, you know. Oh, God, you know, so the side man, I got through it, you know. President here, when the side man say, I buy Heineken for myself, you know what you said, the side man clear him throat after that. It's like say the main man drink off him Heineken, the man, you know, get for drink him Heineken in a President, so him throat dry, you know. The man throat, President, you hear it, you know. You when the man say, I buy Heineken for myself, the man have to clear him throat. The man in a pain, in a man. The man, hey, listen, people, because of the me, I think a serious thing. Yo, you see the things that come out in that. So, John, you know.
Yeah, man, say no. You don't know me, but me know you, you know. And me at the side, man, and me there with the woman if you never know me. I make you know. Me not cause a problem between you and woman. I try to make you know. So when you're a blank week and you can't buy the things, you see ghosts come in your house, I want you take time with them. Because I buy Heineken for myself. I buy Dragon for you. I buy Malta for you.
Well, I play by the partner. Oh, God, the side man, I got through it.
You take time with them. Because I buy Heineken for myself. I buy Dragon for you. I buy Malta for you. But I get to realize you bring over your friend them. Like a bar or a shop. You show me I buy a bag of things. You have to understand, me not mind your friend them. Me and mine, we share we in this. So you have to take time with the things. I don't know if I chew and you are by them, make you deal with them. So you have to understand. Think about it, brother. I'm going to call if you not an argument with you.
All right, people, we are going to take a break right now. But before we take a break, you know, given what was presented and thing and whatever, you know, some of the times we take certain things for granted. And what I'm saying right here now is that we hear a testimony from a sideman. We hear a testimony from a sideman who is reasonable, who think about everybody and thing and whatever. And we just need a main man out there right here now. And we need a main woman out there to think about the side woman and the side man. Them are somebody picnic too, you know. Them are somebody picnic too. And them have rights too. Right? And that means that if you abuse them and take them for granted, you know. So if you have a side man or a side woman who are buy groceries and come in at the house and thing, and you are the main man or the main woman and thing, don't take that thing there for granted. Have some respect for your matey. And ladies, have some respect for your matey who are spend money for your family and who are helping and feed you and all these things and whatever. You understand? You know, you're the side man attack and when him say, buy Heineken for myself. The man so dry because the main man drink out the man Heineken, you know. And the man don't buy jug and female and go drink out the man Heineken. That is slackness, people. That is intolerable. I will go a break and when we come back on the dot, we open up a phone line now, we call in and talk up the things them and make we know if the side man and the side woman them deserve to get some rights in this or some people. Yeah, we're so forward.
It's the Bridge 99 FM.
How you deal with?
Gonna leave.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yeah, man, we're up in the juggling, we're up in the juggling and thing. And right here now, we just want to call him with anything we want to call him for. I don't know Ragashanti run him show and sit and thing. And at the same time, if you have some opinion on any rights where the side man and the side woman them forget, or if rights where them not forget, I want to call in and sound out. You understand? If you're a side man or a side woman, and you feel like some injustice I reach right now, and you want to sound out to the nation, call in and talk up a thing, them not afraid of people. Make people know what go on. If you call from Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. Again, if you call from Jamaica, 876-676-4996. If you call from right here, so in New York, and thing, or anywhere in America or Canada, the number is 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. Prezi, when they call them, you know, send on, don't hang on. One pop.
Hello, good night, Raga. Me have to call.
Yeah.
You see that boy there, the side boy. Yeah, you want to say something?
Yeah, that boy there, oh yeah, style, man. Oh yeah, style, big man. So when you say that boy there, the side man, talk.
You
talk.
That boy there, you see?
Yeah.
You see, if he keep him tail quiet, he not supposed to call the main man and I go tell the main man, but if he take time with drinks.
No, but then if the main man eat up all of the grocery and him think and come in and think and abuse the thing, why you not take the side man to say something to him? What go on? Eh?
Enough he say nothing. Cause sometimes they make woman get dead.
What you say?
Them sometimes make woman get dead.
Okay. No, but him a reason with him calmly, do him a reason with him. Him say, yo, I buy Heineken for myself and Dragon for you and Malta for your woman and thing. So I walk go on where you abuse the thing, but that not sound reasonable.
No, but him a go tell the man say it not cause no problem. Then what is he doing?
No, then him a try balance out the thing. You know, the man say the whole of we in it together. This is team. The whole of we.
No man, a problem in my cause this a Raga. Problem in my cause this so. Because me see man do them something there already and make woman get dead.
Okay, a serious thing that.
You have some man jealous.
Well, that's one thing me have to take down. You hear me tell them all the while. You can't be a side man or a side woman and I catch feelings. If you catch feelings, you have to go tamper that down. You can't be a side man or a side woman and I catch feelings. And one call after 10 o'clock at night. After 9 o'clock at night is not for you. 10 o'clock is that major red line right there. So you don't call. After them look at something there. Hey, when me was a Bonner man, you know, I probably was the best Bonner man there is, you know, but me retire now, you know. But anyway, go and talk what you
Yeah, so, you know what, Raga, one woman already, you know, she go out with this man, you know, and the man don't do nothing. Go call the main man and go tell him about, you know, what kind of panty woman have, and as the woman reach home, the boy kill her.
No, a wickedness that, bro. No, it should not do that. Home. No, that's right. No, put fun and joke aside. Because you know what joke me I make with my thing, them.
Yeah.
No, but I hear that thing that him go on with. I hear that thing that him go on. Me have a simple rule, you know. Any woman get intimate with me, no matter what circumstances, whether it's a one night stand, whether I'm a straight up woman, whether me are the Bonner man, whether what, me must protect she, and she must protect me. You understand what I say? And a violation that him go on right there. So I hear that thing him go on right there. So.
You go tell the man about a green panty the woman have on. A green panty she left the house, you know. And you go call the man and tell the man say a green panty you woman have on. When the man realize I see a green panty, I kill the woman.
No.
And let her picnic. For suffer, because I know the family, and I hear me here. I know the family.
No,
what happened to?
That Bonner man, they violate. That Bonner man, they are idiot. That Bonner man, they are clown. That Bonner man, they are claffy. You understand? No ratings to that Bonner man. right? Him don't know the Bonner man
man.
rule.
Me vex,
Yeah.
Raga. When you hear, me don't normally call you on Friday. But me I tell you, say, when me have to call you, me vex.
No, but Brittany sound like that one you dry you out your sound. Eat it for
Yeah,
true,
man,
though.
my vex too, but he can't do that. He's vexed, he got to feed the chicken them. He's vexed.
What you say him gonna feed the chicken them?
Yeah, he's vexed, he's vexed.
Wanna say, hey, that Bonner man here, make you get that upstar in the brain, don't it? John,
Me said to my daughter a while ago, say, give me my phone, come here, go call Raga.
You're going to call right now because you get eaten about the matter, don't you? All right. Yeah, man. All right. Bless up. Next call from up here now, Prezi. Send on and keep your thing jiggy and full of energy. That is what Raga do. Yeah. Hello. Greetings. Hello.
Can I? Yes, Raga.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Hold on. If you're there on speakerphone, Bluetooth, earpiece, or car phone, you can't come off.
Yeah, I can't. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I see now. Is it different now?
Prezi, you can turn down the car a little bit. It's loading on me. Turn down the car. Look a bit. I don't know if you can do that. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you hear me now?
Yeah, me I hear you. Yeah, what you say now? Yeah.
Raga?
Yeah. Yeah. Me I hear you.
Hello?
Carla, me I hear you. Talk.
That brother man, the man, are two things. He's not supposed to die man yard.
He's not
supposed to die man yard, no time at all.
Oh, okay,
right?
okay.
And he can't go and talk about him man not to do this animal. He not to say nothing at all, man. A disrespect. Me not hear you doing it. I don't know if you hear me.
No, don't listen. You may hear you, man, but don't listen to the radio when you talk to me, you know. Okay, all right. So wait. So what you said? Yeah, well I know. So what you said? Bonner man. Listen, you hear me say no? So you said one him not for go at the man yard. Two, so no Bonner man or Bonner woman for at the people in yard. That's the first thing. The second thing you say, so it sounds to me like you say Bonner man and Bonner woman have no rights. Is that what you're saying?
No, they don't have no rights at all. You have to worry on the thing.
Okay, them not have no rights.
Right.
Them not have no basis for talk up for nothing.
No, yeah. Yeah. The next thing now, a different thing from that.
Yeah.
That's still a word. You know why your boy jump off his stool this week like last week? That's still a word. And you listen to them. Why you tell me what it is? You ready for it?
Yeah, but careful. Yeah, spell the word. Prezi. Yo, hold on. Prezi.
Listen, what you tell me why? Listen, ready. M come. I come. If he come 2 times, I come again. If he come.
Hold on. Carla. Yeah. What? I want him to get cut off or what? Prezi, you have to stay there. Hold on. No, say it again. Right. Say it again. No, man. Say it again.
No, one time I say.
No.
Listen. Listen, I say it again.
Yeah.
M come. I come. If he come 2 times, I come again. If he come 2 times, I do the 2 times, I come again. Me not say it again. So what? Go and listen, all right? Big up yourself for your producer.
All right. Okay.
All right. Yeah.
Prezi, you get that? Prezi, you're just as last as me, no? And me hear about him come and then I come. And that don't ever start too good, you know. Because me no know. Is a man call if him say income, him say him come. Eh? Prezi, when the man started, the man I say him come, then I come. Well, I think I hear him say him come, then I come, and then she come. And she come again. That sound like a threesome, man. Eh? Him come, I come, she come, and she come again. No, sir. Hey, you know, I'm leave that one there alone. That one I like it have a one will heap of pressure upon it and thing. Me not take me can manage that one there. You know. Next car. Yo, hello.
Man of clothes, Raga.
Alien too cute pon them case. I want some people step in at this queen. Good as a good as. I want some girl them for know so when the queen roll out. Dogs to your defense. I want them hear about. Talk up to me. Okay, what go on?
Raga, you know some man I catch it up on my ends right now, and when you play this something, the same thing what Britney come say, she say.
She said to what she say? What she say?
She say like the bonner man violate the woman and so man make woman get dead and them dead.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
But the bonner man, me not give him no ratings. He violate the man, he call the man, he violate the woman, and he violate the house.
Oh, him violate the house. Oh, him violate the house.
But him a buy things. Heineken and sitting and him a idiot. You know, sister, what time buy for himself, Raga Heineken.
So, no. Heineken have ratings as beer. What you talk about? Heineken have ratings as beer amongst Jamaican. I want me to tell you. You know, hold on. Most Jamaican man up here and a red stripe, them drinking a Heineken. Them drink up here.
But I water that.
No, the Heineken. Well, first of all, the Heineken up here tastes different. That's a one. Two, the Heineken at Jamaica, no one really say water, you know. You have some man love to sip a beer, a light beer, it's like, and them don't really like the everything or whatever. So I remember Heineken more expensive too, you know, so you have to balance out that, don't
Mr. Chris should have run him off my phone and give him the S word.
What? The S word?
Yeah.
Why the S word?
Yeah, man. Because normally that man tell, man.
Same figure S something, don't?
Yes.
Go S yourself.
Chris should have do.
Chris should have tell him, go S yourself and go away.
Not himself. S the M word.
Oh, okay. Well, we have to be careful with our... that very famous Jamaican saying, don't it? Go S.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So so tell me something. You don't think a side woman and side man have any rights? You don't think them have any rights for people?
No. No side woman not supposed to call the man woman.
Okay.
No side man not supposed to call the
woman man. The woman
man. A rude is that.
Even if the woman man I drink out the food and I eat out the food and I drink out the liquor what the side man buy and all them something there.
But me hear him say him a bring your friend over.
Him say Chris I bring over and friend them over. And I go like a bar and like a group like a
me I said to my friend I say how much liquor that so me say it's most a case. I could never a 6-pack.
Well, we don't know. So what you say, like when the side man and the side woman them feel like some injustice I reach them not for send out to them for just hold them corner. That you say?
Them fi understand themselves. Why am I buy things about this I feel the real man and this I feel. You know just buy film and the woman then if I so be the case buy the Malta for yourself. And not leave nothing there.
No, but when me still ask you, is there any rights where a side man or a side woman have?
Them not have no rights them for just hold them corner. Number one.
Well, I say I did say that.
That me say.
I did say that.
Yes, side man and side woman to hold them corner and understand themselves. Them know say a data. Number one, if me have a side man, me I make sure tell him when fi call and how fi call. When me down my yard, he can't call me.
Right, no call your yard.
Time limit.
Him have a time limit. So if you get a side man time for call, and when you would tell him for call, when him would call? When?
He might call me during the day.
Oh, only day call him get done.
Day call, no night call.
No night call.
Especially if me live with me man.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah. And
Them fi understand
about what time a film cut off time? Like when sun has set down.
You think you're easy?
Yo,
Suppose me come from work and me reaching time at 7:30 or 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
No call,
No.
7 o'clock.
No call.
Knock off that stuff. Understand me? And you know what the woman should have do? Plan with the real man. Say, me I go bring him over and make we tie up him.
Bring him over and what? Tie up him what?
Tie him up. Tie up in nastiness and give him some lick. Strap him.
No, that not really sound right because you don't think said apart from him I call Chris and whatever, you don't think say him have a right for here if you think them a eat out and thing and whatever. Yeah. So basically I say him not for say nothing down. If you just hold him corner and if him a get beaten if him a buy things to the house and the main man I use up a thing them if you just hold him corner and don't say nothing and work with it, don't. And that yes say
Number one, Chris should have said me girl an a idiot or me woman an a idiot.
Why Chris should have said that?
Because me woman know to get things from man.
Okay, for support the house at least,
Support the house.
Yeah,
at
auntie.
least she just not go lay down for nothing.
Okay, so it's a Chris.
Lay down for something.
Okay, so Chris should have deal with them wicked and say, big man, then you think you can't shell out my woman and not spend some money upon her man. You mad? Buy some more liquor and bring in, and that you fed up. You understand? And I'm notice say you only buy one crate of Guinness. You know, a quarter dozen crate of Guinness we want to put in this. I want me to you. I saw Chris should have deal with him, though.
Chris should have deal with him hard, and then he said, come off on my phone and give him the S word.
Right, and run him after. Okay, cool.
Run him away.
No, but I'm just wondering if you have a good side man, a good bonner man or bonner woman who conduct themselves right and whatever, if them not have certain rights for them forget certain rights and respect with them forget. I bet you say somebody call in tonight and talk about some rights and respect where a good bonner man or a good bonner woman forget, a good side woman or a good side man forget. Watch and see. Watch and see if somebody now go call in tonight and then set the record straight.
Rather them people that keep it on the down low. And I not feel load up. Side thing not feel load up.
Well, me agree with that. You understand? But you just put out a rule there, so we want all side man and side woman to hear the rule with Elaine Too Cute put out a while ago. All side man, all side woman on a calling time is from sunrise to sunset. From sunrise to sunset, right? You know, only for walk a day. You understand? Sunrise to sunset. From the sunset, I be a daylight start out, don't forget. I be a sun at grind, don't forget. Be a sun at grind, don't forget. If a person live with them man or them woman, your call ratings, sunrise to sunset. Do not call after the sunset. Know your rule, stay in your lane.
And number one, the side man know what going in the girl house, in a Chris house.
Then I go there go see. Then I must see him go the house. In a year when the first caller say him shouldn't even go the house. Then I go the house and see the man a drink. Then no eat.
Some woman they no easy, no man, they no easy.
All right.
Side man must go out.
Elaine, you done what's up on Friday, then break at the top of the hour for 3 minutes, here?
All right. Blessings, Ragashanti, and bless up your daughter again for our earth strong.
Mad, and think. Big up yourself, ratings lock and see you.
Bless
Elaine,
up. Side man no have no rights a woman out. Blessings.
Yeah, side man and side woman, and enough to go to the house. And that the people, I must say. Stop right up on the say, we will break for 3 minutes, we're soon forward.
The Bridge 99 FM, keeping the Caribbean connected.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Back in the juggling, back in the juggling. If you call from Jamaica, the number 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. If you call from New York or anywhere in America or Canada, the number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. To the phone line, we're going, no itching and clipping around here. You understand? Send on with the call and president. Don't hang on. Good night. Hello. Hello.
Yes, Raga.
Greetings. Wagwan.
Yo.
Yeah.
Wagwan, there.
You sound like a side man, You're a side man?
One time.
Okay, go on.
Yeah, well. Side man and side chick not forget no phone call. Them for wait for them text when it's available.
Oh, what you say? Them not for make no phone call. Side man and side woman not for make no phone call.
Then we get the text and text say, babes, call me now. And if the general busy, then get back a quick text. Don't call yet.
What you say? What you say? Sideman and sidewoman, them not for just call by themselves. Them for wait for them get a text. Say, you can call now. And then what you say after that? What you say what?
If the general or the missus delay, then get back a quick text. Don't call yet.
Hold off and think.
No.
So the only time them for call is when them get instructions to call, don't?
Yeah.
So tell me something.
They had the whole day for them text. You had the whole day for them text and call. And the general call now to find out if mommy alright. Mommy excuses. Yeah, do me that cooking and washing and me had the phone on me there. That type of side man time that, a side chick.
Okay. So well on, side man and side woman, them have any rights?
No rights. You give up your rights so you got done side man.
She's from your side man.
Yes, I conduct a right for the bus. I'm going to go if you don't collect money. I don't have the boss, I don't have the driver.
Careful, right? They say you're not frightened if you know what you say. But you basically say the side man and the side woman have no rights in general, don't?
No rights.
All right, then. Big up yourself here, sir. All right, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Next call, Prezi. Back here, Wagwan. Next call. Send on. Hello. Greetings. Hello.
Yes, big up Ragashanti, big up on the crew and everybody.
Mad, yeah.
Yeah, so I understand I make everybody laugh, Ragashanti, man.
Well, yeah, so
I are the king of the business.
I work, you understand? This is what I do. So use a side man.
No, you
man, I did with laugh, man.
Yeah, but not.
Yo, boss, you did with laugh, so you're not so done. Well, use a side man. Tell me if you're a side man.
Listen up. If you next week we'll call, we'll call about change the crime rate.
What you say next week, what?
Next week when we call, we'll talk about changing the crime rate in Jamaica.
Change the crime rate? Oh, you have to change the crime rate?
Yeah, man, because, since they can't bring up them topics of Ragashanti, we're going to bring up them topics next week.
No, don't call in and go like you want to run my show. I mean, run my show. I want me to. That's why I tell you, say you're a side man, You see how you call in and I bright up yourself or whatever, and I come give directions or whatever, this and that. You say, as a side man, for do them something there. I want me to you. You're a side man, Talk it. Well, no, say you laugh out the thing too much. Talk it to. Don't use a side man. Talk it true. Don't use a side man.
Never a side man. Never.
You were never ever a side man? You were never ever a side man?
Never.
Well on, your woman there beside
Never.
you, don't. That's why you can't say it. No, your woman there beside you, don't.
No, woman. Me alone.
So,
a star boy you talk to.
now, well on, no, you are telling me, say, you were never ever a side man in your life yet? Never?
No.
Liar tell. A fool you take big man for. Fool you take big man for. What?
Yeah, make all of the secret let out of the mouth.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, let out all the secret.
Well no, I'm going to take our next car. Nah, man. I'm going to take our next car because you laugh out the thing, yo. You laugh out the thing and now give it up.
I tell you.
All right.
Next week, Friday, I'm going to call you now. You hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. And what?
Mr. Next week, we're going to call and we'll talk about changing the crime rate of Jamaica.
No, me run my show. Call Bruce Golding about that. Call, you have whole heap of other show. Call Cliff Hughes. You have whole heap of other show. This is a show for people laugh and relax and joke out the thing and whatever. Don't come here and go like you want to take over my show. All right. I'm going to go right now and take our next call. Here? All right. Now worry yourself. Next call. Look at that call, President. One more call there, though. Send on. Me run my thing, to you. Hello?
Yo, Raga.
Greetings. What you say?
Yeah, man, I no name, man.
No name? What you say, no name?
Yo, big up your daughter, my birthday today, tomorrow, my son one.
Man, thing and whatever. Big up my daughter, yesterday, her birthday, people, if you just a join. My daughter's birthday is today, and thing happy birthday today. Love and blessings, you know. Yeah. Virgo.
That you know you just talked. Him not no girl.
Him not.
Him not no girl.
Why you say that? Why you say him not a girl? Why you say that?
Him never be a side man yet.
That me I say.
With him not no
that
girl.
Me I say. That me I say. Oh, him never be a side man yet. Oh, him never be a side man yet. You understand?
Because him not no girl.
I want. Me no know. Hold on. Is there something wrong if a man was never ever born a man at any point? Is there something wrong with that?
No, sir, nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with that, but okay.
But man,
but
man, virgin, man ever give on ever have a next girl, virgin.
Right, so something.
If I been a young days go up, you not till him realize, say, yo, then thing I need to stop now.
All right, I'm going to ask you something straight. I mean, why you're afraid for answer. Okay. Don't afraid for answer. You ever think, say, the Prime Minister of Jamaica was ever a side man, bro God?
Then I must them a side man.
Them a side man. What about Mark Golding? What about Mark Golding? All of
them are side man, baby.
Okay.
First thing, they have a girl where they might give you much thousands of week time and you know, and different man then I think. Cause them not to relax with their wife.
All right, well on. Now say nothing more because that's some used to run the show in Jamaica and them head get mashed up and thing. And then them quietly say, you know, that boy is talking all kinds of things that we're not comfortable with, you know. See if we can have him removed. So we're not going to say, I could allow them out and things. So tell me something, you know. What are some good side man rules? Because you sound like an in the street man and thing who know the rule. What are some good side man rules? Some good bonner man rule where you know, say, boy, for your bonner man, you have to follow them harder. Yeah. What you that say?
All right, just say, from Yagi Bun Raga.
Yeah.
As a man.
Yeah.
First thing that virgin there.
No, hold on. From, when you say Yagi Bun, from you mean, say, from you the bonner man?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, yeah.
Yeah, the bonner man. Like, a girl have him good man. Like the virgin me call him man and I tell him about him woman.
Right.
And him a drink out the thing them and them sitting there.
Yeah.
You see that virgin there now?
Yeah.
You know, say, me feel like, say, I have him a problem, you know. Him and the girl make him end up make the man and know what go on, you know. Yeah, him a problem with the woman now, like the woman a shake him out. You remember you that talk one thing on the program, I say, a man can see a man and the neighbor call him and he say, I wait for him girl, and when he describe the girl, I see him girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that reach that man here, you know.
You
man say, man, make him man. No one go on and sit. But next thing, Bonner man have no rights.
Well, you can't say bona man and bona woman have no rights. You sure you want to say that?
Yeah, man, they don't really have no rights, man. When I say they don't have no rights, it's like, Raga, you can't, like, remember say you have bona man in a man, you can't run in pan the thing saying, man, a red flag will reach you, they say, man.
No, we know that, but you don't feel, well, me know that, and I agree with that part there, but you know things are certain, for example, if it is established that you have a bona man or a bona woman, right? You know, feel so they must get a set amount of time, even though them not get the amount of time where the main man and the main woman I get. You know, feel so the bona man or the bona woman, they must get a set amount of time and communication must open. You must call them and say, so and so now happen and whatever. You know, feel say the person who them are born with have an obligation, a respect obligation, a right. So the bona man and the bona woman will say, all right, so and so now happen and whatever. No, we usually have our appointment and this and that to communicate or to say, okay, your time, you getting your time is priority. So we have to make sure. So them, you know, feel say them have them rights there. Because me can't tell, I'm doing this for years, you know, me can't tell you, say, at that time, me know some of the bona people them complain about, and I say, no, I know my space, I know where I am and whatever, but not because I'm a bona man means say you must disrespectful to me and talk to me a certain way. Not because me a the bona man or the bona woman means say, if we set a time for we meet and you can't come, you're not going to communicate and tell me just because I'm at the bona. You know, feel say like certain look manners and respect and all them something there must be accorded to the bona man and the bona woman them.
Yeah, me agree to that. Like as Q2 to that say certain time, you see certain hours.
Yeah.
Calling for cut off, bridging, talk during the day, but you see when you touch night time when you know head supposed to dip and peel against one another.
Yeah.
You know why you on a phone and ring at there, some people dead in a night and problem coming up.
Okay. So
why you not answer your phone? I must stop, man. If you answer your phone, because me I expect say, you know your family a call you somebody good at sick, somebody good at that. But when you not answer the phone, it make me start thinking away, you know.
Yeah. So what you me used to say bona man and bona woman at 9 o'clock of them cut off, but Alien too cute as say right you know a day for them time, sunrise to sunset and thing or whatever. What you think about that? I want for them cut off.
Bona man and bona woman can talk right through night because yeah, some man have them good woman, but them live different places.
Okay, in those times.
He's the real man, so you have time where you can talk. Some bona man and bona woman can talk right through the night, right through the day.
Right.
You understand? Because they not live. You have good people who don't live same place, you know.
What about this rule, you know? And I don't want nobody vex with me, but me have a rule with this too, you know, where if you take a man or a woman, or if you live with your man or your woman, or your husband or your wife, and you have a side man or a side woman, never bring them go to your yard and never make them sort out in the same bed where you live with your man or your husband or your wife or whatever. So me totally support that rule. Bona man and bona woman, nothing go at the yard. Bona man and bona woman don't have yard rating.
Buy Heineken and buy Guinness.
Yeah.
If him do not like woman fi have money and buy things, like woman fi even offer him a drink at the house out of him own
listen to
money.
me, make me cuss a bad word. Talk up and preach and make them know. Yeah, no.
Yeah, man, you know, fi go a yard, man, and if you even do pass through a yard, a woman fi offer you a Heineken, because you don't give him money and you say, my buy little things put in the house and sitting. If not fi go buy no
teach them. Teach them. All bona man, listen to Master Raga right you know. Listen to Master Raga. If you is a bona man, and the woman live with her husband and her man or whatever, and she tell you, say, you for come over the house, don't be a Gladys and go over there. And chun could have good like that. What you need for do is just man up and say, come here, baby, let me tell you something right now. You see what you just do a while ago. You know, man, you're wrong, no, you wrong, me go take it. No. You when me did a bad and them, but in them days, they say, I don't know, woman say that. No, me say, you can't do that. You can't be so disrespectful to your husband. What you mean? You can't bring me a yard for go have sex in the bed where you're there with your husband. That is not right. Don't do it again. Do not disrespect your husband them way there. do not disrespect your husband them way, right? So you have to, even though me I juggle with your righteous, you have to conduct yourself in a way where me can respect you too, you know. And me, I can respect. Me will respect you more, you know, if you respect and protect your husband certain way, right? You can't go bring me in the bed and Mark, you know, me I do it for my protection too, you know. See the video with how much man I get catch in a room and all them things, then I get stabbed up and shut up. Me not going on a woman yard, go do and she live with man there, whatever. You're lucky, you understand, right? But you see when a woman do that, sometimes you have to balance them up and make all a woman look upon you different and respect you and say, bombard. You might don't even want to look at idiot Gladys Monday. Because when me did younger, you know what me did enjoy when me did younger? You see, when some parents never like me, I like them daughter. I get them daughter after me. Used to love a sort out the daughter in the parents' bed. You know, he used to sweet me, say. He used to sweet me. But them time that you're young and all them something, then you get older now and you balance up your thing. Let me tell you something. All bonner man and bonner woman, listen to me. All bonner man and bonner woman, listen to me. You must conduct your burning exploits in a way where you make sure that the person respect the man and woman who them there with. And if them invite you in an activity where even if the person I see it's disrespect, you have to tell them, say, no, you can't do that. You can't do that. Me and you juggle, I go and jump up in your belly and thing. I go and make your knee touch your ears and thing. I go and catch you so and send you so and turn you so and twist you so and grab your ear and grab your neck and thing and talk up something to you. But me don't want, you see all.
You can't do it comfortably at the house, the man house.
Boy, you can't do that. Here was some bonner man and bonner woman. Some of them love though. But don't me do it better than your man, I me do it better than your woman. I pick the business them there, you know.
Yeah.
I pick the business them man. If you're a bonner man and you sort out the woman and whatever, don't even bring up your man name when the two are not doing the thing. I eat that thing on the pan. A boy thing on the pan.
Why you tell me about the man?
No, sir, the man enough your car, whatever. And if the woman says, Jesus Christ, no, sir, you touch some spot where you never touch and what you're working on, and when you finish work, you say, B, you see that thing there where you say, you don't have to say that. Don't do that here. Because, you know, unless a man I want dirty workless man will abuse her or something like so. But outside of that, conduct on yourself without the hype. Teach them now.
Man, thing different, man. Me I work for you always and give me the jojo.
Yo, one woman, she called one time, you know, and she said, and she had the bonner woman, you know. She said she make sure, say, the husband, you know, who she has to, she said make sure him not forget anniversary. She make sure him not forget some important thing as she buy the gift and thing and give him and make him carry go give the woman and them something there and whatever. She take care of everything. She talk to him and find out what the woman like and whatever this and that and whatever. And our whole thing is like for respect the man wife, you know. And when me said to her, I said, so why you spend so much effort for ensure say he maintain that respect there with the wife and thing and whatever. I hear what the woman say. She said, listen, you see, once that wife stay happy, she won't have any reason for wonder if I exist or if you come look for me.
Yeah. I really talk, man.
And she said I get from the husband and she happy with it and she cool. But she said once you make sure him keep that wife happy, she won't have any reason to wonder if she, the bonnet woman, exists, you know. Or if you come look for her and find her and think. These are some mature strategic thinking. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not dolly house business. I'm not play something there. I want to think of Charlie's Angel, this, or Archie Comics, or whatever. Yeah. Anyway, still big up for the reasoning and thing. Here, my brother.
Yeah, man, I no name see you.
No name.
I big up myself,
no,
man. No. Me I go and hold it for me earth song, you know?
Yeah, no, but no name. Big up yourself for earth song. But the irony with you is that your name, which is no name, is actually your name.
All right.
Yes, yeah. So no name is your name.
Yes, my boss. So that's all right. Go on.
All right, big up.
On the show and make a man tell you how to run your show, yeah, man.
I want to tell you. Yeah.
And call.
Yeah.
Retired Prime Minister name.
Bruce Golding, yeah.
If like that whole heap of talk show,
them have whole heap of people them for call and think. Them always come and want to come. Once them see my thing a shot, you know, them want to come change it. No, man, yeah. Better come change it. Go talk to the other people.
Slow down with energy around
here.
here.
Yeah, I that tag one. Nobody come bother me right here now. Leave Miss Cherry Wash Belly alone. You understand?
Exactly.
Okay, all right, my general. Big up yourself.
Yeah, big up yourself, man. I respect again, my boss.
Okay. I juggle, we are juggling now. We say energy. Yeah, send on a nice call, Prezi. Greetings.
Energy. Hey, Raga.
Wagwan. How much voice me I hear?
Okay.
What's up?
Raga.
Yeah, what's up? Yeah.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good night.
Good night.
First of all, number one, how did that Bonner man get the man phone number for call him?
Well, that is an interesting scenario right there, don't? That is an interesting.
How the hell that little scumbag get the man number for call him?
Hold on. I sense a little bit of discontent with the Bonner man. Why you calling the man a scumbag now? What you can't.
He means a little scumbag because first of all, if you do the man never thirsty. When I left drink there for the man for him, tell him say I'm thirsty.
But you don't think that is a good thing that he's thinking of everybody?
Come on, man. Come on, bright. Him to alter order and bright.
But he said we're all in this together. What is wrong with that?
Yo, them something that hurt me, man. It hurt me bad. It hurt me.
Wait, then
and she needs to look into for herself too. Why you carry the man in your yard in a them have hotel?
No, but you know that is a fairly common thing. I mean, I think it is being reduced now with the whole thing about camera and all them something there now. But I totally agree. No bonner man or bonner woman if you go to the yard where the man or the woman live with him woman or man or husband or wife, you know. Bonner man and bonner woman don't have home ratings with the woman who are born with them or the man who are born with them. You know. Them not for go the yard. You said them not for go the yard. So she go wrong there, so she bring him go the yard, no?
Of course, you shouldn't carry the man at the bed where she and the man are sleeping.
Yeah,
that's disrespectful.
I make him able to check how much Heineken I drink and how much Jagger I drink, how much Guinness I drink.
Him too bright and out of order.
So we
your invitation was to one little scumbag.
A scumbag, eh?
Kind of big man not talk so, a big man not talk them way there.
For real? No, but he sounded sounded quite calm and collected to me. He sounded quite
calm and collected, but you listen to him voice?
Yeah. Well,
it's only a scumbag talk like that.
What you mean? In voice or in language? Which one?
In voice alone sound like him is a little scumbag.
Him voice sound like a scumbag. Him have a scumbag voice?
Yeah.
The Bonner man? Wow, that is interesting. Yeah. That is interesting. A scumbag voice. All right. I take a next call here. All right, blessed. Yo, she eating. She upset. Next call. Hello. Yeah.
Good night, Mr. Ragashanti.
Good night.
Let me tell you something. The man licky and the man craving.
Wait, hold on. You know why that I go on so? Prezi walk out, you know. The call hang up and Prezi walk out. You never talk to him one night about it? Eh? And him walk and go, see him come back in, you know.
Come here, hear you.
Yeah, hear me now. No, walking down. You know the thing with him? He walk right out. No, you need to tell him all the way. You cannot leave. This is a talk show. Anything happen, you have to be here right through. You understand?
Time down.
Me don't know when gone out. They must have gone chat to woman or something. See my eye there now. Him don't want me see him because him sneaking quick and hang up a call and think because him never there. Yeah, and him can't itch, you know, because remember me I take call from Jamaica, me I take call from America, me I take call from Canada. But Jamaica, them have to coordinate. Yeah, watch watch and see me, I will be him clout, man, go send me.
Yeah, man, what them backside, Raga.
Yeah.
What them, that's when he come in Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and still go one place. What them?
I give him the Tanya, so who be here.
Yeah.
Yes, so what you say now?
Raga, you see the man of the yard?
Yeah.
In a my little opinion,
yeah.
he lick. Him shouldn't drink it because guess what happened now? Remember say a blank weed. The woman don't normally buy those liquor carrying when peer weed.
Yeah.
What him should have done is ask her, what you get then ya?
Oh.
Drink.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Why not drink him and him friend them?
So when you say Chris, no say the woman have it like that and see things are coming upon him blank week and thing and just a drink up and I know where it come from. So you say Chris licky. A me and man licky. Wow,
Yeah,
this is an interesting perspective, don't it? So Chris shouldn't they drink if liquor then no?
He shouldn't drink it, him and his friend them. His man and friend them licky. And then the man they use anything and catch.
Well the friend them wouldn't know. Chris should have know the friend them wouldn't know.
Right, but brother, he invite over the friend them, right? And the one of them are partake in a liquor. Them know all liquor come by?
No, but in the friend them mind, somehow between Chris and him and the woman make them the friend them don't know. But basically, I say, any man who basically or him a juggle with him woman know said the money not strong like that, but see things are coming. You have to be careful that man there if him just conveniently just consume the things and know say the woman have the money like that but still there. Because you really have them situation if it's true, you know.
Exactly, Raga. Exactly. And guess what? Liquor very expensive in Jamaica. You say if you have empty tobacco, you can't get a crate of liquor in Jamaica. So you can imagine how the man have better take a couple empty tobacco Raga to get the crate of liquor.
Yeah.
Right? A woman is to be blamed too.
Oh.
You see, when you're there with a man,
you're
not supposed to carry another man by your yard. Respect the bed where you and the man asleep on.
Brap. Lighter!
Right? Respect the bed.
Yeah.
Because guess what? At the end of the day, the man come home. No matter what the man do, the man come home and the man show you respect.
Yeah.
Man, for sure, them woman is same respect too. No care no woman by your yard.
See,
no care no woman by your yard. Right? Woman upon the other hand is to be blamed. You know your man come on 4 o'clock. Don't call me 3:30.
Other one to go. Huh?
Your man come on 4 o'clock. Say, look here, don't call me 3:30. Don't call me 3:30.
What you mean? And if the man come home 5 o'clock, why he must have called 3:30?
Aye. You see the one man who go home to the woman.
Yeah.
The woman at the yard supposed to tell the bonner man, say, look here, don't call me 3:30. That simply means your communication cut off till tomorrow morning.
Even though the man come 5 o'clock, him for cut off from 3:30.
Exactly. Cut off. Communication done. Your time expire, your time up.
Okay, so the person who I give the bun have to set the boundaries there so then and make sure them not pass it down.
Right, and if you pass it, you know say you cut you off. Because if you have my man, I'm going to give my man bun. And the man of me again bun with him say, listen to me. You see, when it cuts 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, I say, no, call me, you're going to make the mistake and call me. You're done with it, right. Because from them test you right, they say, you not do it again or whatever. Me not do it like you mad.
Yeah. Back in the day, one woman tried that to me and I tell me about it because it was an emergency. It was an emergency. I needed to talk to her.
No emergency.
We had an agreement.
Hospital or police station. We have a police station, hospital emergency there.
Exactly.
Emergency in the yard.
We never force you, I ask you good with this? Yeah, man, I'm good with this. And ray. And them, you know, when them try to screech upon you and try to change it and all them look at something there, whatever, and ray. The first time you do something, you have to have that discipline there and done it all. When them start to turn up. And whatever, you have to done it. All if a money a run, cut it off. If you value your relationship and thing. I mash them one, come mash up your thing. And whatever.
Yeah, respect is due.
But you are the first caller then it sound to me like you say the bonner man due to some respect then. You are the first caller basically. I say that.
The bonner man due to certain respect, you know, because the woman supposed to give the bonner man that respect, you know.
Okay.
The woman supposed to say to the bonner man, say, listen, you know me live with me man. I'm your juggle. You're going to give a certain amount of respect. Don't call me phone certain time. I'm telling you, no call me.
Sunrise to sunset are your time, Don't call after. Well, you think 9 o'clock too late? You think, in general, you think 9 o'clock too late? So don't call after 9 o'clock.
After 9 o'clock, we are too late. Husband come up 7 o'clock. Husband come up 6, 7 o'clock, so we have to call 9 o'clock.
So if we were to amend the time, this is serious matters right here now. You know? So if we were to amend the side man and side woman time, in general, come on, say sometime you know, the main man or the main woman not dead there, them gone, and you can't chat throughout the night or what. But just in general, if we want to set a general cut-off time for side men and side women to call, what do you think that cut-off time should be?
Me I run it up to 3 o'clock.
No, that is unreasonable. 3 o'clock, that's too early.
No, me and you chat all day. We don't chat. Me gone on my bed. Me not have nothing more to talk
No, 3 o'clock. No, 3 o'clock. No, you can't. It can't be 3 o'clock. It cannot be 3 o'clock.
Why? That's what my man want to call me.
I said it cannot be. You work your way around that, but you cannot tell the side man and the side woman them that them have a 3 o'clock cut-off call time. That is out of order. That is out of order.
What time you are going to give them?
Well, I would adjust it to say 7 p.m. I say a 7 p.m. time. A 7 p.m.
That's suppose no man want to call me them time. Suppose them time my man have to go chat.
No, that's what I'm saying. I'm just saying in general, you can't make an adjustment to say, hold on. You can't bring it up to say 6. You can't bring it up to... Remember, there are other rules, you know. If them call and them don't get no answer, them know the thing. Or if them call, say the side man a call, right? And the side man named Prezi. And Prezi a call. And when Prezi a call, you answer the phone and say, Marcia, wagwan. Prezi know right away based on the code we established. Say, him not to continue the conversation because that is a code. So even if Prezi call 6 o'clock, from Prezi here you say, you give him the Marcia code. And say, Marcia, wagwan, President, him dead. All right, me come off of the phone. And then right after that, you say, so Angie did call you, and him know say him not even for answer. Right? And he say, all right, no, me call you back, because me and Mikey there go somewhere that are your man or whatever. And things, so you have them other code there, but when I say, in general, it sounds to me like an adjustment is in order. A 7 o'clock cut-off for side man and side woman. 7 o'clock cut-off.
Yeah, but you have someone that's very determined. Because I know a woman will tell a man, say, don't call me certain or what, and the man still a call. Or when the code I use, the man still a find something.
No, but we have covered that before. She's supposed to get rid of the man. When you're adding a lion mouth, take time, take time, drop the man. Because the man, the money sweet, the man think you have to ignore the money. You can't make a man jeopardize your things or whatever over money and all these things.
That, you know, no for them, the money them look for, you know.
Oh, the woman, on the woman side of the money, because the bonner man has sent enough money, no?
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Raga. But Uncle Timmy said that the man they should have never drinking licky. And the man to take back everything when he go back to the empty back with them. Mr. D, go back to the empties them.
Wait.
Back to shot. Go back to the empties them, Mr. D. Go back to them.
All right. We are going to take a break now. What you mean, the side man, if you go back for the empty buckle them?
Yes, because back is very short. Go for them, Mr. D.
No, you know, some in support what you just say. In fact, I wouldn't advise a woman to go give her front to any side man who buy liquor put in her house and then one back a empty buckle them. Them the something that make her tune shame. Them the something that them the something that would shame. Them the something that would shame. Them the something that shame. Them the something that shame chun. Any woman who have a side man and the side man buy liquor put in her house and then the side man say him want back him. I do not blame her vagina. I do not blame her vagina and say at them slightly say you put me in a yak and but man who want. I don't care. I don't care. No woman fear give her front to a man who buy liquor and put in the house and want back him for go sell and whatever. Them something that shame her Juju. Shame her front.
Juju now shame the man.
Listen to me. Juju going shame. Total slackness. And that listen to me. Listen to me. As a retired As a retired bonner man, one who has applied myself and established, great rules in defense of bonner man and bonner woman out there and whatever, I find what you just said to be an affront to the bonamanism and bonawomanism and thing. That is total slackness and disrespectful to any chun-chun out there, you know, to subject that chun-chun to a man who are buy liquor and then a call back for the buckle and for go sell them down at Pishan Street, down at West Street.
Yes,
Slackness.
take back the buckle and go sell them.
Slackness.
Take back the buckle and go sell them.
Anyway, we have to take a break now and appreciate your contribution.
All right, my love. Precious, sit down and be yourself. I want a ragga word in your back for you.
Yeah. Hold on. Jesus God, I wish you said a while ago, Prezi. No, she lose. Prezi, for the record, but that's why you know. She lose a while ago, yeah? Me not join that something there. I want a ragga word in your back for you. No, Atan Spicy, no, just up your talk. Atan Spicy. Just up your talk. And you know, so from what your motor slip. Yo, that don't sound right at all, Atan Spicy. Yo, no, hey. No, she forget a demerit for that, you know. No, man, she forget a suspension. She forget a suspension for that. People are going to break. We're soon forward.
IrieJam. Years of quality Caribbean radio.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Back in the juggling and thing, and we just hear say Serena Williams lose her match and thing, drop out of the US Open, and we just want to say big respect to a legend. You understand who may be the GOAT for the tennis thing, the and thing. Large up yourself, Serena and thing. All right, big up yourself, man. You did well, soldier. So the thing said. All right. From the United States, it's 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. From Jamaica, 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Is it that do side man and side woman have rights? Do side man and side woman have rights, and what rights those are? You understand? Hello, greetings, Wagwan. Hello. Oh, no, me play it again. Okay, let me see what it is. Make the people them hear what the side man I say. We play it one more time. Well, I may look feet or something. All right, let me use that one there. Well, I'm President. Are you a look feet? Okay, see that. What on there? Okay, President, no wait, the President look feet, President. Yeah, that one. I must eat that. No. I eat that? All right then. All right. Okay. No people, President, I find it. So President, me find it. Some people come in after I want it played. Okay. Go on. No, you play it, President. You play it. Play it.
You getting out of hand now, main man.
Yo, my general. Christis. You more get morning. Yeah, man, say no. You don't know me, but me know you, you know. And me at the side, man, and me there with the woman if you never know me. I make you know. Me not cause a problem between you and woman. I try to make you know. So when I hear a blank week and you can't buy the things, you see ghosts to come in your house, I want you take time with them. Because I buy anything for myself. I buy dragon for you. I buy Malta for you, woman. But I get to realize I bring over your friend them like a bar or a shop. You show me I buy a bag of things. You have to understand. I don't mind your friend them. Me and mine. We share we in this. So you have to take time with the things. I don't know if I chew and you are by them, make you deal with them. So you have to understand. Think about it, brother. I'm going to call if in an argument with you.
Man, no call for in an argument or nothing. Until the man just express him concerns. So when the main man blank week, he might go too hard with the groceries, then with him the side man buy. And the side man is just explaining that he's conscientious enough to make sure he buy Heineken for himself, him buy Guinness for the main man, buy Malta for the woman and thing, and that the main man can't bring over him friend, the man a drink out the man Heineken, the man all these things and whatever. I say, out. Yo, no, big and serious do you know. Right, with the run, we look at joke and go on with the antics and thing, but under no circumstances must a side man or a side woman call the main man or main woman. Right? That is a standard rule. If the thing reach a point where you as a side man or a side woman, if you call the main man or the main woman, then probably you need to stop being a side man or a side woman and leave. Now I know that is simpler said than done, because no found when they catch feelings and want get out the main man and get out the main woman, and that is a whole other story. Prezi, if you're a side man, right, and you find out say the woman want to kill the main man, you feel a sense of responsibility for call the main man and tell him same woman want to kill him? Prezi, you laugh and now answer question. Prezi, you think it's a good, if you're a side man, right, and you mind your own business and stay in your lane, but you find out, say, the woman who you a side man with, she a plan to kill her husband and plan for kill her man. Would you feel a responsibility for call the husband or the main man? Jesus, God, people, President said no. President said no, him not getting involved. John, anyway, hello.
Hello?
Yes, hello. Talk up now.
Oh.
Yeah, stop listening to the radio. Stop listening to the radio.
If woman and the man want to get out, I want to get out the man. We don't just get rid of him.
No, hold on. You have the radio playing at the background. You either turn it off or move it from it now, yeah?
All right.
So what you say now?
No, if me no say the side man want to get out the chick, the main woman.
Yeah.
Me don't tell the main woman and took her myself, because he don't get me out when he's ready to. No.
So if you are a side woman and you find out that the man who born him woman with you a plan for kill him woman and thing, you are going to inform the woman, say, yo, your man a plan, me I the side woman and your man a plan for kill you and all them. So, and you say, you take away yourself to do.
Of course, I'm not doing the same thing to me.
Okay, because if ours beat and thing and whatever, I come around and go and kill you too, no?
Of course, yeah.
So what you think about what Prezi say a while ago? Prezi say him not tell him man nothing. What you think about what Prezi say?
He maybe I care pum feelings.
Prezi I care pum. I want it. Prezi say I care pum feelings. I want it for yourself. I'm glad when the man was dead. Prezi, you're wicked.
Of course, I'm not wicked.
See, so what you say differently? Everything good?
So far, everything good.
Okay.
But the thing with the side man when you keep on a play.
Yeah.
Suppose the side man one of the main man friends. Same as everything we are going. That's why I'm no same friend them a drink out the liquor.
Oh, that is an interesting possibility right there, so you know. That is an interesting possibility. But what you that think?
Him could have be the main man friend, and every time him come over, everybody a drink out thing, and him must see the flex. So him up in them feelings now, because I must say, wait, me and mind everybody.
Me say one time gone back in the day, anybody that listen to Ragashanti from back in the day, you must remember this. One woman call in and whatever, you know, she say, fear husband would have never know, say she had born him. And the husband swear for her because how much time them spend together anyway him there, she there and whatever and them something there. You know say I with one of the husband friends she born him with.
Same thing.
When the husband in the house a play domino, you know, and the other friend him not play and whatever, you know, at that time, you know, right in the house, you know, she and the bonner man do it, you know, the husband friend, you know. She call and tell me this funny thing and whatever, and the husband him not have no idea, you know, because it you know what we say in Jamaica, under me nose.
Same so.
And you know the saying, the best place to hide something is right out in the open. You ever hear that saying?
True.
Yeah, kind
Yeah,
of body
man,
now
all the
look
time.
feel. Yeah, the best place to hide something. Woman bad pan them something there, you know.
True.
You see, so I
Them
could have the
bad
friend.
pan it, them bad-
Say I say I could have
them
the
bad-
friend.
We don't call it though.
Wow.
We don't call it. Them are the number one. We don't call it. Woman do everything. You can't catch them so easy.
No.
Them are the artists, sweet man.
No, man.
You can't catch them so easy.
Woman wicked up on the burning damn man. Man go like them bad and whatever. Man can't burn like woman.
Man can't burn like woman.
Man can't burn.
Woman will burn and hide them feelings. Man burn and show them feelings.
Wait, say that again?
I say when woman will burn, and even though she find out certain things are up in her feelings, she will hide her feelings.
Right.
But when a man burn, them can't take it. Them show them feelings.
And I go and rephrase what you say. And is that when women burn, they have more control over their feelings. When men burn, them have less control over them feelings. And that is so true. That is so true.
Same so.
Women have way more control over them feelings when them are born. Well, you think nowadays that is true because yeah, some women I get crazy out there, you know, when them I catch them feel and I do some crazy. Well, no, women are better burning than man, by far.
Well, Raga,
Yeah.
you know what I lie.
Yeah.
You have my side, man.
You have your what?
My side, man. But me put on my rules and regulations. Certain things him can't do.
You have your side man.
When me and man
Well,
did
a side man, you say?
Yeah.
Oh, me thinking
Yeah,
the same.
sorry.
You have your 5 man. Me go for say, what do you nearly make me cuss a bad one? Anyway, so you say you have your side man, and then you lay down the rules what him can do and can't do, no?
Same so, yeah.
So what are some of the important rules you tell your side man now?
All right, number one.
Yeah.
When me there on my man,
Yeah.
him know that. Don't call my phone.
Don't call your phone. Okay.
No. When I hear time, I hear time. When I see him time, I see him time.
Right. What else?
All right. Me, when me love, me go all out.
Yeah.
But side man, tell us me love you, but never limit my love. There are certain things me go do, and there are certain things not go do. Because when I want me too in love, me can't control the feelings there.
Oh.
So I make sure my feelings, I limit my feelings.
Okay, so the side man can't want you to pass them limit there and thing or whatever, right?
Yeah, because me not saying that. Some of we women crazy, you know, with my head kick, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I want to go do certain things and then you go do certain things and then you get the madness out of me.
Okay, right. So you are proactively making sure you put some boundaries and things in place to control it so you not go too far with your feet. There's certain things you're not going to do if you go get deeper in love, right? So you limit
Exactly.
and control it. So you have to understand those limits and controls what you put in place too, don't it?
Exactly. Same so.
Man. You have a very disciplined approach to this thing, man.
Yeah, because me in a serious relation, which is a marriage.
Yeah.
And me not go this my husband, you know, man.
Right.
So
But
whatever me and you do on the side,
Yeah.
we have a respect for both partners.
All right, but
You know, this
well,
my
quick
partner,
question.
this
We have
your
2
partner.
minutes. We have 2 minutes to go before we talking God truth. Who you love more, the side man? We don't know say you not leave your husband, you know, but who you love more, like emotionally, the side.
God mercy, you put me in a position right now because the side man them beside me.
The side. Lighter. The side man them beside you right now, no.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Leave that question there alone. Leave that.
Come out that girl. God don't want me and him argue tonight.
You don't want him argue tonight, so you can answer the question.
Yeah, I'm not answer the question. Him not want the question though.
All right, so what the answer?
The husband.
You love your husband more? Okay.
Yes.
All right.
But certain things my husband not do, him we do it.
Like
Some
what?
of it two of them, but
Like
huh?
what? Like what?
My husband is a workaholic, but me respect that.
Yeah.
My side man have more free time.
You have more free time. So like certain things with the side man. Quick, we have 1 minute. What the side man will do with the husband now? The one thing. Give me one important thing what him do with the husband now.
My husband a communicator, so most time I know him whereabouts.
Okay.
But my side man him communicate. Anyway, I'm gonna know. Every move him make me know.
See it there. Interesting. Boy, we could have
all the things that tell me know.
Okay. Interesting. Me hear what you say. All right, we have to take a break at the top of the hour and thing, all right?
All right, no problem. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man, safety and protection, people. We have a 3-minute break, people, and we're soon forward. But the caller just now, she said some very interesting things, some very, very enlightening things, So she respect her husband, him is a workaholic and thing, but she don't have much time with him, so she have more time with the side man. That is interesting. Yeah, and the side man communicate, but the husband doesn't. That is interesting. Well, we'll break 3 minutes. We're soon forward.
The Bridge 99 FM. Caribbean vibes amplified.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Back in the juggling, down in that final hour of the show up on a Friday night. Yanting wants a big respect, all massive and crew and thing all over the beautiful island of Jamaica. Celebrating 60 years of independence this year and thing. Big up on yourself, all of me, the family and all these things and thing. Big up everybody in the diaspora. That would be the Jamaican diaspora, that is. All over the United States of America, all over Canada, and in many countries beyond in the Caribbean, and also over in Europe, especially in that country called Britain. All right? The UK. I think big up all Jamaicans over the large upon themselves, everything is everything. But we don't know that Jamaicans are all over, far and wide and thing. I know for only listen Ragashanti and thing, big up on yourself and thing. All right, and if you are listening right now, large up. If you are listening this after it's posted on my YouTube channel, Ragashanti TV, over YouTube, and you are listening this at that time, big up yourself, see me, real things and things. All right, bona man or bona woman, what kind of respect them forget? Bona man or bona woman, what kind of rights them have and thing. Boy, the last caller they just know and thing or whatever, and she say, yo, bona man, they right beside her and sitting, but, she keep it real and, know the levels go with she and her husband and all them things they right well. We don't know how him feel, but it sounds to me like she say him govern the thing correct, and she kind of make him know what the limits and certain things is. And she was very clear in saying that when it comes with the love thing, she's consciously controlling her feelings and her conduct in order to ensure that she don't get too deep with this thing. In terms of being in love. So there are certain things she says she will do and certain things she will not do in terms of having certain boundaries where she don't want to cross, because in crossing certain boundaries, you're going to be communicating certain things where it can get complicated. And she say it will bring, and then she will go start with certain things, him will go start with certain things, and it may draw out a side eye where she don't want that side they come out and thing, but she seemed very clear, like she married and thing and whatever. Well, I'm sure it didn't escape most of you that she said her husband is a hard worker, and he work really, really hard to the point where he don't have much time for her. But she respect the fact, say him hustle and him hard work. She respect that about him. But at the same time, she has said, boy, she needs some time and attention, and the bona man give her that. She said also her husband really communicate to her. Women, that is important to women, them want the contact there, the communication there, the validation there, that the communication where say you are there. It don't have to be anything deep or anything, It's just communicating. Yeah, talk about this and that, but it's saying you are there. That helps to validate the relationship, etc., and all these things. That helps to make the woman feel appreciated and present and prescient in the relationship, you know. So, I know enough of them listen to her and I say, yeah, but she have a hard-working man, a hard-working husband who are doing so, and she say it and life happens, people. So it goes. By the way, I'm neither agreeing or disagreeing, so don't believe I'm, coming on, no come take me on to. All right, 888-546-8742 from the United States or anywhere else in America or Canada. 888-546-8742. Again, 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. To the phone lines we go. Good night. Hello.
Yo, where you say?
There you know, where I go?
Listen, me not like the call of the record right now, because hard-working man not supposed to get bun. You hear me? Hard-working man not supposed to get bun. All the work this boy for get bun. And me not understand how she have good husband who work hard. It's funny, damn if you do it, damn if you don't. She have the man that work hard and take care and treat her good. And she have this boy will have time for him. No. She never said it. She never said about a man workless. She never said him workless. She never said him workless. So what you say him workless for? No, because her husband work hard all the time or whatever. That don't mean say him workless. You don't know. You making an assumption about the bottom man. You're making an assumption about the bottom man. Right? Yeah. Yes. That's assumption about the bottom man.
Yeah.
No, work this spot. Some of them women are good man and work up hard, right? And I take care of them.
Yeah.
I like him work so hard and him tired and him this, but I love him. You should love him because man do the financial stuff and I take care of her, make sure she have stability, she have security, and she have everything with the husband. And so she quick beside the husband, she love. And they look the work this boy, we out, we have time and I do some things but the husband not do and way. She for go from yourself. And enough of them they even qualify to be side chick because side chick have different levels.
What you mean? What you mean? Side chick have different levels. What you mean by that? Explain.
No. Yeah. Side chick are from 24 to 30, and then after that you have side foul from 31.
What are the press? You hear that one there? What are the tambourine? What you just say? Side chick is from 24 to 30. And then after that, from 30 go up a side foul, no?
Side foul, lad.
So from 30 go to what? A side foul?
31 to 45. You have side foul. And then from this you know you have the tough one, the older one, we call them sensor foul. Them one they know you have to treat them different, because them pick out their eye. Well on.
So from 45 go up, them a one now. From 45 go up, them a what?
Sensor foul.
Them a sensor foul. So from 24 to 30, them a side chick. From 31 to 45, them a side foul. And from 45 go up, them a sensor foul and thing. Okay.
Right. And the difference between all of them now, you see the side chick. Side chick love them them name them man them where them are dealing, because side chick get good treatment. Sometimes they get even better treatment than some of the wife them, because them younger. Them and the wife, them can boom up the thing, them boom flick, them do everything to please the man, and them fool, because them not have sense like the sense of all them and the and the phone.
No, hold up. What you say? The side chick, them when them younger, the 24 to 30 and thing, them start to turn up and them look good, and them go on with the something them and do the thing them and whatever and ray and thing, and that make them get good treatment. But you say them fool. But you say them fool?
Yeah, they're fool in the sense that because you can manipulate them as a Jenna, you can manipulate them and them do what them want, you angle them certain way and I disrespect them. But
you can't manipulate the side foul them or the sensor foul them. Is that what you say?
No, the foul and the sensor foul. No, you can't.
Okay, because them have more sense. Yes,
them have more sense, them have more experience, and them know how to deal with certain things. You can't lie to them and tell them. So the side chick, you tell them anything and them believe. But the sense of fall and the fall, them you can't deal with them. You understand?
Okay.
And them more want relationship in the sense that them want stop. Them more.
Who want relationship? Who want relationship?
The fall and the sense of fall.
Hold on. Listen now. Mas Raga, that would be me. I have done some reading on this, and I want you to tell me what you think about these things that I have read. I have read that actually the older the women they are, even if them dep on so-called side, the more likely they would be to like not want, you to be totally committed. The more likely they would be to not want pressure you or whatever, because the more likely them have for them life for them a deal with and thing, and them not necessarily, them not look nobody if you go jump off on a cliff with and fall in love with. But as them get older and thing and them understand the world better, older and the young somebody, the I love you and this and that endlessly, and me want to jump off of them in that zone anymore. So I have read that the older women, them have certain local rules too, in terms of time and things and you being there, but that they tend to be more understanding and less likely to get caught up in this I love you kind of foolishness. What I have read, is what I read wrong or right?
It's correct, and the reason for that, because there's two type of people up two type of individual in that level. There's one who have credentials. They say the older side chick, them who have credentials.
Yeah.
And them have them backbone and them independent.
Yeah.
They tend to just what you just said a while ago, to stay within that realm. The other one, them where totally depends on you. To pay this and do that for them, and where. Those are the ones that want to get all the wife and get that.
Okay.
But the credential one, them, as I said, there's two different levels, aside Paul and side name.
Yeah.
The one them who have credentials, they're more desperate, and they tend to be about pussy and fight, and then watch you and then do all sort of foolishness. You understand? While the one them who have credentials, like what you just mentioned, them more laid back. Them not in the name there. Whenever them want.
No, well, I have to tell you, I have to agree with you, because the ones that I read about are the credentialed ones who are independent, who are intelligent, bright, composed, and who are secure in their lives in many respects, and they really don't need a man. They really don't need a man for any material thing or whatever. Decide that, and they would according to my reading, and they would actively communicate that really I just want, respect and the company, respect and the company, and then, and certain time, and you must put it upon them to one thing and give them loving and thing, and, so you're right. The ones I read about were the credentialed ones. You're quite right.
Right. But back to that woman, man. I tell you, say, that me I go work a man here and don't know she me go work a man in 2-3 attacking. But I listen to things, I say me African in cause I feel it for the husband. When I have a good husband and see they are laughing at camera. But Karma is a bitch, and me don't like what she do. I'm out to the side of the man and this and way. She could just steal the husband right and run the dirty boy or just left the husband.
No, but what I'm saying is...
That. The man is a good man.
But what I heard from her is that, well, obviously her husband don't know what she's doing. We can assume that, right? And and she says she love her husband. So it sounds to me like it sounds to me that there are other things. Hold on, it sounds to me that there are other things there between she and her husband that she appreciates, and perhaps she's doing a lot of other things that her husband appreciates too. But without extrapolating, it sounds to me like, this youth, him have the time for go on with some antics with her and have some type of fun with her, and engage in some recreation with her that she appreciate, that she can't really get from her husband, who is just really focused and determined in what he's doing and things like that. And that the husband is so focused also that him not really talk to her as much as she would appreciate. So it sound to me like she's like being directly disrespectful to the husband. Sound to me like she balance.
She is being disrespectful. She is.
But I mean directly.
Why you take up for this wicked woman?
What you mean? Why me I take up for this wicked woman? What you mean? Why? I am exploring the site. I'm exploring the different layers to the.
That was locally.
Huh?
It was a local call or a foreign call.
I know I can't answer that. Leave that alone.
Okay, well, it sounds local to me. That's my opinion. I just talk because
well, local in Jamaica or local in America?
Right. No, local. I talk local Jamaica and foreigner up here.
No. When you say local, what you mean? Jamaica or you mean up here?
Yeah, Jamaica.
All right. Well, it's not. It wasn't a Jamaican call. Leave it right.
Well, okay. Well, from the Jamaica calling, all right. She better watch herself if I foreign today and whatever we share about with her foolish. And go and the hard working man go and I take care of she and her people them and she name that she do that to the man.
No, but you know when I hear from you, you feel it. No, when I hear from you, you say you wake up at 2-3 o'clock a morning and you work hard and thing. It burn you, you know. It burn you and that me I hear from you. It touch your can. Yeah man, it touch your can, man. It touch your can. It burn you, man. It burn you, man. If you know say you is a hard worker yourself too. You get up and you work long hours and thing. Which is true, people. The caller, him really I tell the truth right there. So it sound like say she step on your can right there. So you feel it, man, when you hear it. No.
Well, I'm a two mash up.
You will. Step right by your can right there. So mash up your wall and you to Osha, Papa, Osha. Osha. All right, cool. Oh God. Next call, President. Next call. Hello. Greetings.
What go on, King?
Yeah, they are juggling now. What I go do?
Yeah, man. Happy, big up your daughter, Earth Strong.
Man.
Listen.
Yeah.
That story where you're running at the first, you know, to me, there is no bonner, man. As him say, I cheer away.
Uh-huh.
And you see the girl where put the perspective after say, Chris Licky.
Yeah.
You don't understand how your money for your house is a chicken money and you eat steak and you not question where it come from.
Oh, okay.
And that's where...
No, but what?
That's where me say...
Yeah, go on.
That's where me say... The youth... don't assume same got the house as an assumption. If he said the wife complained to him... A woman complain to him because she got say, but wait, him just get up, him have chicken money, him a eat, and him a invite one of my friends to come drink too.
Well, you have a good point there. It could be that him never there at the house, but the wife say to him, that could be possible. That could be possible.
No, me feel like him don't even got the house. Me don't feel sad the wife a complain because Chris, first thing first, if you not provide, if your money not go up there, so how the hell you eat that before there?
Hold on. While it is the case, I've been doing this for a while, and I'm telling you, this matter have come up and thing where people are in relationship, they know what their budget is like. They know what income is supposed to be coming in and what they can afford. They see another partner with things that far exceed the income and thing, and they turn a blind eye to it, or them accept some ridiculous explanation for it and whatever. When indeed some bunning are going and somebody are sending on the money, some of them quietly know but don't want to face it and thing. But even though that is the case, do you think that instance really rise to the present occasion where it's just some drinks him a talk about? So I think it is I think it's a little bit unreasonable for say a man or a husband say some liquor come in and don't know where the liquor come from, because liquor could be easily bought. Liquor is not like, oh, you buy a car and see how we're Louis Vuitton and we don't have the money there. This is just, Heineken and Guinness and Malta. So I don't think we should beat Chris for that and say, Chris, put on a good money and you say Heineken Guinness and Malta, that's small.
All right. First thing first, Raga.
Yeah.
The Bona youth, where you label as Bona youth,
yeah,
know when I fit in blank week.
Yeah.
Him have that info. So the woman feed him that info. So, you are going to drink Guinness and your blank week.
And bring over a friend and everybody a drink and I enjoy your blank week.
And bring over a friend at that.
No, but then he might have said the wife not have some money, if you have money by it also.
Listen to me, man. Believe me, me assume that what him a do is above the budget of the house. Between him and his wife.
What Chris a do is above the budget of the house. Because them are going at the Bonnerman budget.
Between him and his wife.
The Bonnerman budget. And the Bonnerman.
Exactly.
Okay, that is what you assume. Okay.
So that you there to me is not even a Bonnerman. To me, as I say, I did straight away. Because he must have spent some chunk money on the house there, you know. See him, I go say, I did straight away.
No, some of them bright enough, we say so, and not really spend the money and thing and whatever, you know. You have some people bright enough. You have some people bright enough with certain things and whatever. Listen to me, let me tell you something. When me just come to America and thing, after me just come to America, me go date one white woman and thing and whatever, and fear claim to fame with me is that she cook for me. Right? You know what she talk about? That woman buy spaghetti and put it in a hot water and boil it. No salt, nothing. She take out the spaghetti, put it in a one plate, and she get either ragu or prego and chew upon it. And me see that woman ball and say, but I cook for you. I cook for you. I always cook for you and whatever. Because in a fair world, that is the world. But it's damn foolish is what she know about cooking. She attacked to somebody from the Caribbean. My girl, you know about cooking? And what I'm saying is, you have some people over here that will give you a look at something or whatever thing and go on like how the world. You understand? So the Bonnerman could have just like jump a look at Guinness money and Malta money, and then I come and talk about how me I spend on the house and your bills the thing, you know, Chris. And where you depend on your blank week, Chris. You balance your thing, man. Yeah. Like you take your thing for granted in your blank week, and you bring over a friend for your blank week, and the whole on drink like one of their bar and thing. You go like a shop here there. And them, I mean, him could have bright too. With him look much.
Let me say this to you still, you know. If a woman even sense single, me not ever got yard.
If the woman what?
I am not really. If the woman even says she's single, me not got yard. Clean her straight. Me say, couple years ago, me run a thing and me I said to her, who knows you there, son? Nobody don't know. But me realize that every time I done my first round, a call come in, oh, I don't want to talk to you.
Whoa.
All right. Me ignore it.
Yeah.
So you see 1 week where I done the first round and the call come in.
Yeah.
And she said, oh, I don't want to talk to you. Why you bothering me? Next thing I do, me and knocking.
I do you hear or not? No.
So I say,
bomb,
yeah, man. So I said 2 hours. I asked you more than one time, who knows you live here? So you said, nobody no come here. Who that are they doing? She said, if I go through a divorce, she said, I'm a soon to be ex.
Hold on. Yo, that bad. Hold on. So when the knocking come after that first round, you put on one banana, you probably all in your boxers and a bill. If you go back again, if you go shut all another round and thing. What you say, after, when the knocking go on, she said, oh, that's my soon-to-be ex. You know, say that woman that wicked.
So me say,
well, I know. You know, say she wicked.
I moved that one time I asked her, Raga. Because I noticed it.
No. Do you realize the phrase soon-to-be ex is a manipulative way of saying, I'm a man that. Because if he's soon to be, you know, that means he's not yet the ex, you know. That means our man, you know.
Divorce papers was in. Divorce papers was in.
Divorce papers were in.
More than one time to come. Divorce papers was in.
Yeah.
Me asked more than one time, anybody come here? No. Come, man, come. I never feel comfortable with it. And every time I notice the car come in, and one time she not as after the call I did do a knock.
But well on. You say an interesting thing, you know. You say the call always are coming after your first round. You did right about that, or you just said that loosely, or that how it really happened?
No. You know, Raga, you know, say life is footprints, you know. I always
That,
got Jimmy.
here wagwan. You know, look like that man is close to her that anytime he open her belly and I give it to her, like him feel it where him there and know say, I know him have to call her, you know. Because if him a call every time you put her on the first round and at that time she get the call, him a feel it and it kind of look like he did a pump it on her, you know, man. And anyway, man, when you pump it on her, true, if him and her have that look a long time, it's like him feel it and say, wagwan, something a gwan. Come here, dead over your hey, what you do? You give her the pum pum. I give her the pum.
Yo.
Yeah.
Me don't explain to you to a big and plane, you know. Me say me too big to go through no window, you know.
Oh, Z.
So me don't know how you go diffuse the situation, yeah.
So when him said that, when she said that, now what you do? You know, brace and get up and start look for something and sitting and whatever, eh?
Of course.
So how that
was? Me anticipate anything.
Yeah. So how that part that did end up?
She do. She basically open the door, switch the lock same time and slide out, and me hold my weapon and just walk out after that in a 2-3 minutes. Walk against it, walk past the two of them outside in the backyard. She hold on him.
Well on. So you just step out with you did have your machine.
Of course me have something that me on, but at the end of the day, me nah run. Me make sure sometimes me nah go through no window, me come through that door there, me I go back through that door there.
Oh, okay.
Deal with the situation that I may ask you all the time. Who else come here? You say nobody not come here. You understand? So me I tell you plain and straight, me deal with certain situation over the years, me nah go lie raga. Me nah be no side. Because me feel some sort of can call you 12, 1 o'clock anytime. Anything apart from that, you call like me a boy.
Well, you not been a side man.
No, sir, me done with him. You're
done with the side man thing. You know no side man thing anymore, no, right?
No, sir. I mean, no understand a virgin that earlier got talk about saying never be a side man. Really? Something wrong with him.
Yeah, me never understand that.
Because
you have some Christian man who never been a side man, you know. You have some simple man, but outside of them man in general, when me I say, if a man I say, boy, him do road and thing and it out there, but me never be a side man yet. Me don't know what I want this, so that not sound right.
Raga, me see me live in Jamaica with my woman, right?
Yeah.
My sister comes out sometimes to come at me yard, you know. I ask my wife, where him there? Come here, no, I'm here and go walk. And my wife never ever one day look at this man like say something going between, you know. Me and this woman have never discussed anything more than whatever is happening around. Never discussed anything intimate.
What you say? Who come at your yard and what? Your sister?
Girl, okay. A girl, no, my sister co-worker will live down the road from me.
Your sister co-worker,
because
right?
My sister said, you don't understand. Yeah, she don't understand how this married woman will rave over me. Because she used to, me and I used to travel, and me never make, she knows, say, my sister work at the same post office where she work. And when my sister realized, say, what you say his name again? And he says, and my brother and my sister called me and said, wait, how this married woman are going over here? I said, I don't know. So anyway, she used to come on my yard and say, hey, where him there? More me and go walk. So
who used to come on your yard and say that? Who used to come on your yard and say that?
My sister co-worker will live down the road for me.
You used to come on your yard and say, where him they make you and her go walk, right?
Ask my wife, where me there? Where me and her to go walk.
Okay, and then?
Me and her never mention nothing sexually. So that my wife I come over here, and one day she look at me and like she say, my wife like she left today. Tomorrow my girl look at me and say, you know, someone want a computer for finish an assignment. Me say I roll back my memory and say, does she know me have a computer? Because me now make the mistake of carrying this a woman in my yard like that. So she just look at me and just shout up my name and say, me I borrow your computer. See that she drop the word and she see me did that thing. She just look at me and say, me I borrow your computer.
Who says so?
Raga.
Who says
the girl that did down the road that husband.
She said, me I borrow your computer. That she said.
Yeah, when time my wife come for it now. Me alone at the house. She looked at me and said, she had bought my computer. First of all, she said she wanted a computer. Me did I think. I said, does she know that me have a computer?
Mm-hmm.
So she said, did I think? Then she just say, you know what? Me borrow your computer.
And what's the significance
the first
of that?
Night she come.
Yeah.
She come to my yard. She come inside of my house.
Right.
So the first night she come, me open up window, open up door. She did I use a computer. After that, me and her walk to her house. The next night, me did it. Me had the door knock. She said, me never finished last night.
Yeah. Right.
She turn on the computer. She turn on the computer. Me just see my girl just get up and just wind up the window them, and just close the door. And I say, boss, me not make no mosquito bite me up tonight, you know.
Okay.
And me just see when she go sit down on the computer. And just me, she just kiss her teeth, you know. And just come and just come sit down for me in a ragga. Nothing out of the dress. What I got put them. I understand.
And
Raga, me never make another situation like that again. You know, come on me hard. Nope.
So well I know. So when she sit down upon you know and nothing under the dress got the whole of the good press up on you and thing now. Oh, so you wanna do the something with them, but and that's why you say you now make it happen again.
But is that a question, Raga? Is really that a question?
No. Based on what go on, we need for know. You actually did need for say it. You're out there. After you tell her all this time say you not do it and thing, you need for spell it out. So when she sit down upon your thing and the boy fly up and thing and you and her put the alright. I'm here fast. It's out did good.
It's out good.
Yeah.
But me never make she come back on my yard again. Period. Not come back on my yard because I disrespect that.
Oh.
I disrespect that. You don't allow them things if you.
No, but tell me something.
And her husband in her house on the road.
And she live with her husband down the road, don't?
Yeah, man.
And from your wife did it. She left her husband down the road, come up and ask your wife, where him there? Thing I make me and him go walk. And she come for you and you and her walk all the while and nothing happen and thing. And when your wife fly out and thing, she come and say like, she want to use your computer. And then when you did that think about whether or not she know if me have a computer, she just say, me borrow your computer and thing or whatever because that are the excuse. Me not give you no reason for even say no. Exactly. Me want to come in at your house. So she come in at the house, she use the computer and you open up every damn window and everything and open up because you not pre-hard away there. And when she go on and she left and come back and thing and she not get to the next day she said, me never finish use the computer and thing and whatever. And when she come back that night and she use the computer, she sit down and say, yeah, me not make no mosquito bite me up tonight, you know. Mr. Sar, and then she go lock all of the window them and all these things and whatever. And when she said she sit down back, you know, she kiss her teeth. She kiss her teeth and say, this damn man look how long more and dash in front pan him and him now think, listen to me, man. And she just go over there and put it on pan you know. So when me I say, you think that she did want to grind you from them time that when she come over and ask her wife here and what?
Yeah, man. Me pick up the vibe, but my wife wouldn't even pick it up.
You never follow it up, no.
You want no joke, Raga?
What that?
Years after now, me come here, so, in New York,
yeah.
A girl invite me to a high school reunion.
Yeah.
Guess who did it?
Jesus God, Miss Lady
did it. She did it.
Yeah.
Mosquito
front. We're going to call her mosquito front. It's a mosquito front they don't.
Yo, you know what I say? Mosquito front walk up to me and the girl come and the girl did a dance and I go on, you know. I say, how are your number again? I said, because me know OCB here.
And then the time you not deal with her all long and thing and she just walk up to you and say, what's your number again, dog?
Yeah, man, right in front of the girl.
Listen to me, man.
Me still have your number, me call you.
So you and her the link again?
No, sir. No, sir. You know what it really turned me off? You know what it really turned me off on her?
What?
Me go look for my sister one day and me see she come through the left side of the building and a man come to the right side of the building and me say, I bet it was them go meet up in our car and honestly, me just observe it was them going to see in car. And it so happened that one evening, the man passed Portmore, come all over, come crash.
Mm-hmm.
And he work at Kingston. And I meet a pastor my car and see her, and she said, boy, I ain't call work, and I come all over, come crash, and I wonder where my hotel fee wife. So, let me tell you something. At the end of the day, me put on my shoes, but you know, the shoes can bust.
Mm-hmm.
Me not look particular last night.
Okay.
Afraid.
Okay. No, but let me tell you something, though. You have some... We're going to take a break now, but you have some woman like that, though, you know. Them just more... Them less direct than man, but them even more determined than man, you know. You have some woman, you know, once them set them up on you and say, I have to F that boy there. Again, you know, them less direct than man, you know. But them even more determined from once a woman say, I have to get you.
Man.
Them not stopping. Them not
Man,
stopping.
right
in
front.
Yeah.
Right.
So the whole time she bright enough come down there and attack and ask you what. That's what I'm telling you, know, women have that thing they lack, you know. The best way for hide something, you know, is right out in the open, because somebody are going to say, well, I'm not hide it. Because your wife at the time probably I say, no, sir, them are just friend and whatever. She talk to me all the while and thing and whatever. So you that thing say, the wife think say, no, go on this one. When her husband and she come up here and she asks for you. She asks your wife for you. And thing and walk with you regularly and nothing happen and all these things and whatever. Yeah, you think woman bad for them something with them, man. Anyway, we have to take a break and all and things. See?
Bless up, man. Bless up.
Yeah, man. Safety and protection. Yeah, man. People, I will have a break. We'll soon forward.
IrieJam.